Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous video, we learnt about Raag Kafi, the Aroha Avroha of this Raag, which is Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The Gandhar and Nishad in this Raag are Komal. We have learnt about the Vikrut Swar and the Shuddha Swar in a previous episode. The Vadi and Sambadi of this Raag are Pancham and Shadj. The Jati is Sampurna, and since Kafi itself is a Thaat Raag, the Thaat of this Raag is Kafi. While it is debated that this Raag is supposed to be played in the second Prahar of the night, it is universally accepted that it can be played at any time of the day, but specifically during Hori or Holi. We even saw the composition that we are going to be learning in this episode. Let us now get to learning this beautiful composition. If you haven't heard the introduction yet, I suggest you can watch it here. The teaching methodology is going to be exactly the same as the previous videos. First, I will sing a phrase and then you will play along with the finger prompts. Then we will play along with the rhythm without the finger prompts. We are going to be learning it at 120 beats per minute. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga re ni sa ni dha pa dha ni sa ma pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga re ni sa ni dha pa dha ni sa ma pa ma ga re sa. Sa pa ma pa ga re ma ga re sa re ni sa. Sa pa ma pa ga re ma ga re sa re ni sa. Ma pa da ni sa 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 sa. Ni sa re sa ni dha. Ma pa dha ni sa 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 sa. Ni sa re sa ni dha. Pa sa ni dha pa ma pa ni pa ma. Ga re sa re ni sa. Pa sa ni dha pa ma pa ni pa ma. Ga re sa re ni sa. Sa re re ga ga ma ma. Pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Good job! You see, all the Alankar practice is now showing up. Just in case you are not able to practice it at this speed or you are finding it difficult to play it at this speed, I suggest you try again by reducing the speed of the video in the settings of the video. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, this composition, unlike the compositions that we learned in Raag Bhoop and Raag Durga, starts from the 10th beat instead of the 9th beat, which means that the composition is off by one beat, which musicians generally call off beat. You will notice this difference very prominently as we will be playing with the tabla. Try to play as intuitively as possible. I will definitely cover playing properly in the rhythmic cycle in a further video. For today, let's try and play it intuitively. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga re ni sa ni dha pa da ni sa ma pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga re ni sa ni dha pa da ni sa ma pa ma ga re sa. Sa pa ma pa ga re ma ga re sa re ni sa. Sa pa ma pa ga re ma ga re sa re ni sa. Ma pa dha ni sa 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 ni sa re sa ni dha. Ma pa dha ni sa 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 ni sa re sa ni dha. Pa sa ni dha pa ma pa ni pa ma ga re sa re ni sa. Pa sa ni dha pa ma pa ni pa ma ga re sa re ni sa. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ma pa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re re ga ga ma ma pa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa. So that's a job pretty well done. That was composition in Raag Kafi, or as we call it, Gat of Raag Kafi. It's a pretty simple rag if you have practiced the alankar well. If you're not getting it at 120 beats per minute, I suggest you either reduce the speed to suit your preference, and if it still doesn't work, then you will have to play and practice more alankars. So that is it for today. If you wish to support me in this journey of learning and understanding the flute as a beautiful musical instrument, then I request you to lend me support through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like downloadable PDFs of alankars, more unique compositions, pre-access to videos, and a monthly Google Meet session, and so much more. Or else, I request you to make me a one-time contribution through any of these sources mentioned here. I am there on PayPal too, and the link is mentioned in the description. Or else, just consider liking this video and sharing this with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely benefit them. Don't forget to leave a comment so that I can engage you in a conversation so that we both can learn more. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense pleasure. So, the Silent Flautist signing off for the night. See you again next week with another video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.